Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy NODE coin or token on Binance Alpha. As you know, NODE just get listed on Binance, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps, and then you can go to your search box here in the top, and then search NODE, search it, and you will see NODE on Alpha. You can click it, and this is the chart, guys. It's not looking good, but yeah. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see the 24-hour high, low, and also the volume of the token. You can also see the audit here. You can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here. And then you can choose instant buy or limit order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.